How to find your account ID in Pocket Broker. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are in Pocket Broker and need to find your account ID, then here is how simple it is. First of all, launch open the Pocket Broker app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and select your ID from the top of the screen. You see it right here, right next to your profile icon. You can write down your user ID on a piece of a paper or take a screenshot of this page, and you may need your user ID whenever you want to contact support, verify your account details, or simply want to know your ID. This is exactly where you find your account ID in Pocket Broker. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.